Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to speed up Chrome on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Google Store on your PC. Step 2. It's crucial to keep Google Chrome updated for optimal performance. Make sure to update to the latest version available. Step 3. Close any unused tabs in Chrome. Simply select the tab and click on the Close option. Step 4. To further enhance speed, turn off or stop any unwanted processes running in the background. Step 5. Configure your preload settings. Adjusting these settings can significantly improve your browsing speed. By following these simple steps, you can experience a faster and smoother Chrome browsing experience on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Remember to optimize your Chrome browser for a lightning-fast browsing experience. Until next time, happy browsing and take care.